Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to do this practice question. Here this question is asking, write a declaration of an array named weekend containing 7 bool values, include an initializer that makes the first and last values true. All other values should be false. Okay, now let's see how to do that. First of all, make sure you include stdbool.h and also define days in week 7. Okay, so the next thing is we are going to include an array for this one. So bool weekend, and in the array we are going to put days in week. That what we define on top, days in week, and then I'm going to write all the true false state things. So here we are going to have first and last should be true, others should be false. So first is true, the second one is false, and the third one is false, and the fourth one is false, and the fifth one is false, and the sixth one is false, and the seventh one should be true. Okay, then finish this one right here. And also we are going to create a for loop. This for loop should run 7 times. So first we are going to initialize this one with 0, but initially I didn't introduce any variable, so I had to put integer I is equal to 0. I'm just introducing the integer type of variable right here, and then I less than days in week, and each time it should be increment by 1, so we put I++. Okay, now inside here we have to put the printf statement. Let's get rid of this one. In this one we are going to put %d to print the numbers, integer types, is weekend day, and %s is to print the string type, and \n for the new line. And here first we want to print the I, that's for %d, and then for %s we have to print all the weekdays, weekend, and the one stored in I. Actually it's going to change each time, depends on the index. Actually this index depends on the index, it's going to change each time when the for loop run. Okay, now that's it. And then finally we will write question mark true and false. So this is like if else statement, so it checks whether it's true. If it's true, it's going to print the first one. If it's not true, it's going to print the second one. So this is a short form of if else statement. You have to have question mark, and then you have to have something like this, and after that false. Okay, now that's it. Let's finish and run and see what we get. Something wrong here. Weekend I. Weekend I. Oh, this should be a D right here. I forgot to put a D. Let's run this again. Okay, now it says 0 is weekend day true, and others are false. 6 is true, and it's just finding the weekend days to be true. That's what the question is asking for. Write a declaration of an array named weekend. Let me grab this one on top. Okay, so here 0 is true and 6 is true. Write a declaration of an array named weekend containing 7 bool values, include an initializer that makes the first and last values true. All other values should be false. That's what we did. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and try them. And also don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.